Go for it, Vlad. All right, we've got Sno-King versus West Sound. Sno-King in blue, West Sound in white. On the ice, we've got Levi, Evan, Vlad, Ivan, and Kevin. Shoot and miss. Oh, man down. No call. Kevin flicks it out. Oh, they're coming in hot. Line switch there. Good stop by Ivan. Ivan's wearing the C today because Noah is still injured. Now we've got Lucas, Baker, and Jackson on the ice, along with Kingsley and Aaron. Aaron going up. Passing. Oh. Lucas couldn't handle the pass. West Sound has the puck. Nope. Oh. There's a collision right there. West Sound with the puck. Picking up the zone. Oh. The player landed on Baker. Jackson has the puck. Moving up. Penetrating. Shoot. Block. Kingsley swats it out. All right. Now we're down a few players today, so we only have 10 active skaters. We have 2 lines. Now we're back to the first line with Levi, Evan, and Vlad. The shot is blocked by Kevin. Still in the zone. Oh, shot blocked by Evan. Evan takes the puck. Pass to Levi. Levi goes in for a shot. Wide to the left. West Ham takes the puck. Pass to the forward. Stopped by Vlad. Good job right there. Ivan's feeling it. Nope. Puck is back in the neutral zone. Ivan passes to Evan. Evan goes in. Pass to Levi with a shot. Just misses. Let's do a reset right here. Line change. We've got Baker, Jackson, Lucas, with Kevin and Ivan. Jackson looking to shoot with a backhand. Nope. Good forecheck, good effort by Baker there. West Sound picking the puck up, getting out of the zone. Ivan chases down. Coming hot. Wait, Ivan, what are you doing? It was your puck, buddy. Somehow Ivan just let the other team take the puck. Now Kevin is penetrating. Evan with the puck. Not sure why Jackson got in the way of Evan. Good pass from Ivan to Levi. Flat. Centers it. Nope. There's a D-line change. Kingsley now has the puck. He uses the board. Goes onto the weak side. Oh, passes to the left. Oh, couldn't handle the pass. Offside. Oh, what a pass. Between the legs. Keep it in. Good job, Aaron. Lucas is yours. Good save there by Billy. She winds up the shoot. Saved by Dylan. Good job, there. Looking good. Sno-King wins the face-off there. Oh, wait, no! Critical mistake. Another shot on goal. Go up, go up. Well, that was a bad defensive sequence right there. Between Evan and Ivan, one should have went left, one should have gone right. Good job, oh. Let's go, Jackson. Jackson picks the puck. Throws it deep. A brief time for our D-line to change. Baker goal pressure. Aaron keeps it in. Oh, that was scary there. Get back on side. Get it out first. Get it out first. Good job. Oh. Kingsley goes in. Kingsley's jumping around with a shot. Nice shot. Oh! Baker couldn't get the rebound. Kingsley tries again. Nope. West Sound with the puck. Levi's got it. 1-on-2. Levi goes in with a shot. Block. Hey, we can't have so many players. Well, we're too far back. What's going on here? That was offside. Okay, that was clearly offside, but a non-call. No call there. Yeah, I mean there were like two players. Ooh. Go up, Levi, go up. It's going deep. No, we just gotta keep pressuring. Good job by Kingsley going coast to coast, but couldn't get a shot off. Levi's shot at the block. West Sound with the puck. Come on, we can't just watch him blow by you guys. Come on. Kingsley with a poke check. Oh, that's a nice cross. That's offside. Oh, good job there, Lucas. With the little backhand, getting it into their zone. Don't give him a shot. Don't go up, challenge. Good job, Ivan. Hey. Go up. Oh, woo! Blocked by Dylan. Nice save. I got the 9 shots on 9. Thank you. For the next one, I should reset and.
Yeah, reset, and you're still counting that one.
Oh, okay, all right.
Just because you have a better view on that.
Okay.
And then it's gonna take me time to
Yeah.
When you get it, I have to switch.
Got it. Okay.
My brain will be. It'll be hard, but I'll get it.
Yeah.
like super cool.
Okay. Now we've got Baker, Jackson, Lucas, Kevin, and Ivan. Second period. Oh! Kevin somehow missed the puck. Almost caused a turnover there. Kevin redeems himself with a shot on goal. And a goal. He got his own rebound. Ooh.
No, it is okay.
That was number 9.
Oh,
Yeah. Kevin Lee, number 9. Go up, Levi, go up, challenge it. Oh, men down. Oh, nice shot and nice save there. Now Kevin once again is taking the puck up by himself. Tips it in. That was a shot on goal. Levi winds up. Nope. Wide. Keep it in. Oh, good job, Evan. Keeping it in. Oh, but no. Where are the other forwards? Wrong positioning there. Oh, Kevin once again has the puck. This D line has been playing for 2 minutes straight. Okay, it's about time to do a line change here. All right, West Sound wins the face-off. Lucas challenges. Some board action there. Oh, Baker takes it. Nice shot. West Sound wins the face-off. Baker chasing her down. Good forechecking by a team. Look at the effort there. Look at Baker. Oh, small but mighty. Oh, there was one shot somewhere there, I think. Oh, hey, what are you doing? Oh, guys, you guys are too polite. Sometimes you just gotta pick the puck. There's a bit of miscommunication there, but okay, all right. Now, RM passes to Kingsley. Kingsley loses the puck. Wait, nope. Gets it in. Pressure. Oh! She drops on the floor. Now it's a good chance. Baker, go up. Levi, send it to Levi. Oh. West down. Well, RM pokes it out. Levi wants up a shot. Wide. Levi wants up a shot. Okay, that is a shot on goal right there. Okay. Well, this has been a long shift as well. So it's been over 2 minutes. Oh, Aaron passes to Vlad. Vlad battles. Oh, now's the chance. Oh, couldn't get a shot off. Aaron with the puck. Swings it up. Oh, trip. Kingsley. Vlad, get back on side. Oh, Evan passes up to Levi. D-line change. Nope. Oh, no, not the right chance. Not the right opportunity. No, that's icing call right there, right? Oh, wait, nope. Kingsley going up. Break out. Kingsley feels... Oh. This ring is very big and wide. Kingsley's feeling it. Nope. Wide. Kingsley. Kingsley. This sheet of ice is very big and wide, so there's a lot of room for you to maneuver and penetrate. Yeah, just go, keep rushing in. Okay, outside there. Go up. Challenge. Go challenge. Yes. Go challenge them. Force a mistake. Go up, Baker. Don't worry about it. Challenge. Yes. Yeah, see? Oh. Okay, Baker's got it. Nope. Go. Oh. There's just not enough movement by our players here. Oh, guys, you guys just gotta move. This lineup is a little bit sluggish. All right, now back to Kevin. Flat, get on side. Go up. Oh, Evan, your turn. Oh, Evan falls. Go up, flat. Yep. Good job. Good job, flat. Wow. Good job, buddy. All right. And that should be an icing call. That's right. Alright, we've got Levi, Evan, Flat, Aaron, and Kingsley. Oh! Going for a shot. Wow, a flurry of attacks there. That's offside, buddy. Good job there with the defense. Held that one down. Now we've got Baker, Lucas, Jackson line, along with Kingsley. Go up, challenge! Oh, yeah, good job. So Kingsley sacrificing his body there. West Sound gets it out of the zone. Oh, out of nowhere. Wow, the team is playing great today. Oh, good effort there. Good block. Getting out. Baker. It's yours, Baker. Sneak attack, yes. That was a shot. Okay, D-line change. Ivan. Oh, no, Jackson kicked it out. Oh, that was a scary one. They almost got the rebound. Come on, D-line. Get it out first. Yes. Good job, Lucas. Challenge. Go challenge, Lucas. Well, offside. Okay. We have a forward line change here. So we've got Vlad, Evan, and Levi. Oh, I guess we're doing a face off there. Oh, block shot. You gotta glove it. All right, there's a lot of chaos right there. Oh, another shot, another block. Hey, forwards, we gotta help out here. Just get it out for us. Yes. Oh, that was a series of very strong attacks. Oh, Evan wins this. Oh, what a nice little backhand pass. Couldn't connect. Hey, pressure, pressure, pressure. Skate, 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 skate. Three seconds left.
All right.
Cool. Again, I counted 9.
9. Okay.
9.
Thank you.
Got it.
See, it's good when we're standing. You're up that far when they pass you, you're up that far.
You gotta earn these grounds, okay? Right there.
You need a top side. I want up on
All right, we've got our second lineup here with Lucas, Baker, and Jackson, along with Aaron and Kingsley. So this is the start of the third period. Let's go, T-Birds. Oh, nice move there by Lucas. Oh, Baker, you've got a puck. You've got a puck. Keep going. Oh, wide to the left. Aaron takes the puck, shoots it, couldn't get it out. Aaron gets the puck back. Now he's taking it all the way to the other end, coast to coast. Pass, oh no, stolen by West Sound. Oh, pass, oh, winds up for a shot. Blocked by the goalie. West Sound now takes the puck out of the zone and into our zone. Kingsley stopped them. Offside. This West Sound team is, on average, they are a decent-sized team, but seems like Sno-King is faster. Okay. Sno-King wins the face-off there. Kevin hunting. Oh, Kevin takes it. Oh, that's a shot on goal. Oh, Flat is fighting. Oh, no. Oh, Flat has not given up. Oh, Flat is on fire today. He's playing excellent. Levi, now you gotta go up, buddy. What are you doing? Oh my gosh, that was not sure why Ivan and Levi are just kind of standing there. Oh no, they're in for a shot. Oh, that was scary. Oh,
Go back, right there.
oh, right behind you. Oh, whoa. There's some collision there. Oh, Weston kicks the puck. Jackson retrieves it, but passes right back to the other team. Oh, Weston with a shot right there. Just a little bit high. I'll count that as a shot. Come on. Oh, Ivan, nice stoppage there. Oh, Jackson, you gotta move, buddy. Okay. Baker going out with the puck. Oh, that is a shot. Oh, Lucas tried to go in for the rebound. Get back on side. Kingsley, stop. Yes. Was wide. Not sure if I need to count that. Oh, what are you doing, buddy? Oh, he took that hit. Oh, Evan, nice move there. Nice control. Oh, now Levi, let's go. Oh. Get back on side. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So it'll be gone in a jiffy. Just get ready. Okay. So again, we're on a penalty kill right now. Go. No. So on, go up, Kingsley, go up. Yep. Pass it up. Ten seconds. Oh, almost 10 seconds. Or 9, 8, 7, 6, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, go! All right, now we've got Baker, Jackson, Lucas, Kevin, and Ivan. There's 6 minutes left in the third period. The score is 1-0. Sno-King is up 1-0. So we just survived a penalty there. Whoa. Coming in hot. 2-on-2. Nope. Pressure. Go up. Pressure. Line change, we've got Flat, Evan, Levi, Ivan, and Kevin. Warriors win the face. Oh, Ivan. Okay, gets it to Levi. Levi takes it up. Little stick handling there. Stolen by West Sound. West Sound taking the puck up. Evan is not giving up. Applying a lot of pressure. Causing a turnover there. Ivan gets it. Okay, out of the blue line. Forcing them to reset. Ooh. Oh, come on, Ivan. Just get it out first. You're over handling the puck. Oh, nice shot and nice glove save. That's an icing call, I believe. Jackson. Nope. Stolen by the Warriors. Warriors going up with the puck. Turn around. Gotta turn around. Angle. Wide. Ooh. Going in. Oh. Okay. I'll count that as a shot. Three minutes and 51 seconds left. It's all of the zone. The puck is still... Oh, everyone's scrambling for the puck. Oh. Still a loose puck. Oh, Lucas gets it. Nope. Stolen. Nope. Okay. Let's reset. Okay, all right. Kingsley, go in. Center it. Lucas. Oh, Aaron, keep it in. Oh, they couldn't handle the puck. It was just a little too bouncy. Now Baker has it. Going in for a shot. A little bit wide. Okay, we've got Levi, Vlad, Evan, Kingsley, and Aaron. Kingsley keeps it in. Shot blocked by Evan. Coming in hot. Kingsley angles are out of the way. They're winding up for a shot. Nope. Blocked. Levi spinning. Let's keep applying pressure. Keep applying pressure. Yeah. And gets the puck. Okay. 2 minutes left. Good. Outside of the zone. Yes. Evan. Yes. Yes. Keep going, Evan. Keep going. Oh, nice goal there by Evan. After he forced a turnover, he just went in and finished the job. Kudos. A minute 52 left. Sno-King is up 2-0. Got Baker, Jackson, Lucas. Oh no! Whew. Oh, Lucas kicks the puck. Goes in. Warriors with the puck. Reactivating. Oh, nice skating there. I believe this is their captain. Now Kevin is takes the puck away, and no, now he loses the puck, and somehow he gets it back. Oh. One minute left. Okay, just get out of the zone first. Oh, no, it's not. Wide. 45 seconds left. Oh, nice job, West Sound, for keeping it in. Very aggressive forecheck here by West Sound. Keeping the puck in. Oh! Oh, shot right there. 2 shots. Was that a save? That's a save. Okay. Okay, they're pulling the goalie. They have now 6 players. Okay, they've pulled their goalie. They have 6 players. No, they're. Hey, that's a delay of game, man. Like, what's going on here? Can we get it out of the zone? 6 seconds left. 4 seconds. And it's over. And it's over. Oh! 6 shots on goal.
6?
Yeah. Oh, wow. What a game.